Menteri ke Sarkar Jylla ubak Kyrmen Shylla ulapan pau bagi Jingtih Dewiong da ke Jingstad Saian sementara kalak ban penduna ya ke Jingi Onong. Dari kalak apat bantai lakam ya ke Jingtih Dewiong Beain ha ke Jylla. Haba kerani kalak patai kubor ha ke kat sau terik ujemang arajar arpusan ubak Kyrmen Shylla ulong bagi nong syong shnong ke Jylla kam tam na rilom jantia kilap diang ya ke rukom ti Dewiong da ke Jingstad Science. Ulong ba amdan menurut bakwa ban le ki kambian nrai meta kalong ke kebesultanat banamar ke jingshim kia ke sarkar MDA 1 bat MDA 2 ba ke jingti doyong da ke jingsat science menta kan sedang no bat kene kan ai biang ya ki pat ba e kalat ban yo kam yo jam ba ke jo kapor ban te lakam ya ki kambian ha ke Jylla.
Actually, nobody wants to have this illegal thing in any business, even in coal or all kind of business. No illegalities, and nobody enjoy that. It's just they don't have any other option. Lucky to say, I mean, lucky to hear, and it's good. I mean, really proud to say that in this government, the MDE 1 and MDE 2, we got this opportunity where we can see that scientific mining now we have started, and we believe this will be the benefit for our people, and people will love to do scientifically so that to protect the environment, protect the life of the people, especially the labor. That is we enjoy. Think it might affect the outcome when it comes to profit, but in the end we have to contribute to the environment. So we are for this scientific mining. Waiting for the coal to get, because they have to dig such a big hole, so that scientifically it's a long process. So waiting for the day, for the light of the day, as of now is, it looks challenging, but in the end nothing is impossible. If anything I do for my living, for survival, I will not look it as a illegal, but to others, if it damage their property, that shows according to them they'll take it illegal. But as I've just mentioned, nobody wants to do any illegalities. They will not enjoy, and it'll end up somebody will be benefit by doing illegalities. But by doing it in proper way, nothing like it. All the what's supposed to earn, it goes to the right person. So here also nobody is enjoying that. If somebody is practiced till date, they have left with no choice. Otherwise, they will never do that. Why risk their own life? Why risk their money? Why risk everything? In the end, they also want to work with the government.